I asked my phone case for some advice, but all it said was, I've got it covered. Hey, I'm Leah, teller of bad jokes and your POD mentor. Bad jokes aside, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to customize your very own phone case. We've got tough cases, slim cases, clear cases, flexi cases, snap cases, biodegradable cases, card holder cases, and even flip cases. I promise I won't say cases again. Go into our catalog, find them under accessories or in the search bar, and choose a style. I'll choose the best seller. Click Start Designing. Before adding a design, check the print file requirements to make sure you get the best print possible. Then add your design by uploading it to the mockup generator from your device or cloud storage. You can also drag and drop it in, or create it within our mockup generator using our free graphics, AI image generator, text editor, or Shutterstock. If you'd rather focus on other aspects of selling, you can hire a professional right from here. I'll add a design from my library, but we definitely need to adjust some things. Change the size by clicking and dragging a corner, adjust placement by clicking and dragging, and rotate at the edges. This can also be done manually in the right toolbar. You'll see we have a white space, a dashed line, and a gray area. The white space is our safe area, meaning anything within those dashed lines will be printed. Anything outside those lines may be cut off. Let's see a preview. Not the look I'm going for. Click Edit to keep designing. The gray area outside of the dashed line represents the bleed area. We want to make sure this part is covered as well, otherwise the sides of your product might be left blank. But remember, anything in here might also be cut off. If you ever need a reminder, you can always re-watch this video or simply click this little info button for the design guidelines. I'll place my design where I want it. This looks nice, although the white is a little boring. Let's change our background color using either a pre-selected color or entering a hex code. So far, so good. I'm going to add some text. Enter your text, choose a font, select a color, and adjust the size. Now, all my customers certainly don't only have iPhone 15s, so I'm going to add more variants here. You'll notice that as I add variants, the size of our template changes according to the size of the phone, meaning we need to make some minor adjustments. To make adjustments for one specific variant, select the variant, click Make a Specific Design, and make changes as needed. Follow these steps for each variant that needs adjustments. Click Preview to make sure everything is where you want it to be. See how it looks in CMYK mode for a closer representation of how the colors will print and what it'll look like with both glossy and matte finishes. Save the product. Let's look at another example. I'll do the flip cover this time, but with a pattern. And I'm going to show you two ways to do that. Let's use our pattern tool first. Add any graphic to the mockup generator. I'll use one from our graphics library. Click the pattern button and adjust as needed. Looking at the preview, I can see that the graphic gets cut off near the edges. We can either adjust the spacing to avoid hitting the edges or use a more abstract pattern to make this less noticeable. I'll use a pattern from my library that I've previously uploaded to the mockup generator. Yeah, this looks nice. And of course, don't forget to save your product. Once you get an order, it'll get sent for printing and voila, you've got a happy customer and profits in your pocket. Go try making your own now and see for yourself just how easy it is. Let us know what other product tutorials you want to see in the comments, like this video, and definitely subscribe to our channel for all your POD needs.